In this video, I'll show you how to use digital coupons in Dollar General. So if you want to save money at Dollar General, you can use this digital coupons. Basically, you just sign up for a Dollar General account first. Okay? You can go ahead and sign up online or in the app. And then what I need you to do is go ahead and set up a 4-digit PIN. And this is what you'll be entering at checkout to apply coupons. Okay? Now, I want you to go ahead and clip digital coupons. So basically, once your account is ready, you can start actually adding coupons. So you open up the Dollar General app or visit the digital coupons website. You just browse the available coupons for groceries, household items, and more, right? And what you just need to do is tap on the plus or clip to add the coupons to your account. And what happens is your clipped coupons will be saved under the My Coupons section. Okay? And what you need to just do is go ahead and use these coupons at checkout, right? So when you're basically ready to pay, you just go to self-checkout or the cashier at Dollar General. Just scan all your items as usual, right? And on the payment screen, I want you to go ahead and tap DG Digital Coupons. Just enter the phone number linked to your DG account, and the system will automatically apply any valid coupons to your purchase. You just pay the remaining balance using cash, card, or any other payment methods, right? And there you go. And then after checkout, your receipt will basically show all the discounts applied. You can also open up the DG app, go to My Coupons, see if there's any remaining offers, and if you forgot actually to use a coupon, you can check for new deals on your next purchase, right? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.